Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Vaman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve test paper 12, chapter 12, simple interest. One question is written here, question number 7. At simple interest, a sum becomes 49 by 40 of itself in 2 whole 1 by 2 years. The rate of interest per annum. In this type question, let P equal to rupees X. Sum becomes 49 by 40 of itself. That means amount equal to rupees 49x by 40 in 2 whole 1 by 2 years. Time equal to 2 whole 1 by 2 years equal to 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 years. Now find ASI equal to A minus P equal to rupees 49x by 40 minus rupees x. Taken LCM 40. So 49x minus 40x. And direct also 49x minus 40x equal to rupees 9x by 40. Now find rate equal to R equal to ASI into 100 by P into T equal to ASI is 9x by 40 into 100 divided by P into T. P is X, T is 5 by 2 years. So 5 multiplied by denominator and 2 multiplied by numerator. 0 to 0 cancel, x to x cancel, 5 to the 10, 2 to the 4, 2 and 2 cancel, equal to 9% per annum answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 9 written on this board. In question number 9, in what time will rupees 6,000 amount to rupees 6,360? In what time will rupees 6,000 amount to rupees 6,360 at 8% per annum simple interest? Here given is P equal to rupees 6,000, A equal to rupees 6,360, R equal to 8% per annum. So find ASI equal to A minus P equal to A rupees 6,360 minus P rupees 6,000 equal to rupees 6,360 minus 6,000 equal to rupees 360. Now find T equal to, therefore time T equal to, in what time? T equal to ASI into 100 by P into R. So find ASI is 360 into 100 and P into R. P is rupees 6,000 into R is 8%. 00 to 00 cancel. 10 to 10 cancel. 6 6 are 36. 3 2 are 6 and 4 2 are 8 equal to 3 by 4 years. 3 by 4 years is smaller than 1 year, so it's changed into months. 3 by 4 into multiply by 12 months. 4 3 are 12 equal to 3 3 are 9 months answer. Students, understand and write it. Students, question number 13, question number 12, it is last question. At what rate percent per annum simple interest? At what rate percent per annum simple interest will a sum double itself in 10 years? This type question let principal P equal to rupees X, then amount A equal to rupees 2x, double. Sum is double, sum double. Now T time T equal to 10 years. So find first of all SI equal to A minus P equal to rupees 2x minus x rupees x equal to rupees x. Now find at what rate? So R equal to rate equal to SI into 100 by P into T equal to SI is X into 100. Principal is also rupees X into T time is 10. X to X cancel, 0 to 0 cancel equal to 10% per annum. Answer of this question. Understand and write it. Students, now again once revise formula of simple interest. Total 7 formula of simple interest. First, ASI equal to P into R into T. P into R into T by 100. Second formula, find P, R and T one by one. 100 multiplied by transposition into SI. So P equal to SI into 100. We have to find a formula of P. So R into T divided by SI into 100. Now find the formula of rate R. Course formula number 3. R equal to SI into 100 by, except R, left P into T. So divided by P into T. And formula number 4. Find T time equal to SI into 100 except T, P into R. P into R divided by SI into 100. So T equal to SI into 100 divided by P into R. Now next other type of formula is formula number 5. ASI equal to, sorry, first of all write A equal to, amount equal to P plus ASI. Formula number 6. P equal to SI by transposition plus SI changing to minus SI. So A minus ASI, simple interest. And last formula is ASI equal to A minus P. Students, today your homework is solve test paper 12. Thank you. That's all.